In today's video, I'll show you how to add another email account in Outlook. By the end, you'll have your extra inbox connected and ready to use without dealing with complicated settings. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. If Outlook is already set up, click the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you to the Account Settings area. Select Add Account. If this is your first time opening Outlook on the device, you may see a welcome screen asking you to add an account immediately. Just continue from there. Next, enter the full email address you want to add and click Connect. Outlook will automatically try to detect the correct service, whether it's Microsoft, Gmail, Yahoo, work email, or another provider. A sign-in window appears asking for your password. Enter it and continue. Depending on your provider, you may also need to complete extra security steps like verification codes or permissions. Gmail, for example, requires giving Outlook access to your mail, contacts, and calendar. Follow the prompts and allow the connection. Once Outlook confirms everything, click Finish or Done. Wait a moment as your folders begin syncing. Your new account will appear on the left side with its own inbox, sent items, and other folders. If you manage multiple accounts, you can switch between them easily by selecting the inbox you want. Outlook keeps accounts separate by default, but the unified search bar lets you search across all accounts at once. If Outlook asks for your password again immediately, it usually means it's finalizing the setup. Simply re-enter it. If sign-in fails, check your spelling, internet connection, and any security prompts on your phone or authenticator app. To send emails from the new account, choose it from the From field when composing a message. That's it. You've added another email account to Outlook, making it easy to manage multiple inboxes from one place.